Sure is a nice day for a picnic. Oh, Herb, it's like a second honeymoon. Just look at Timmy and Sally throwing the old disc around. Come on and throw it, sis. I just want to say I'm going to be real sad when you go off to college. Oh, Sally, don't be such a goof. You know I'll be your big brother. Is it starting to rain? Nothing can spoil this perfect day. What's the matter, big brother? Got something in your eye? Yeah, that's it. That must be it. Ha ha, now who's the goof? Just watch out because here it comes. Yay!
Oh, what now? Too much squeeing. What is... Oh, pickle juice! My eye!
I smell something burning.
Yeah, probably my eye.
No, stop your drama, Squidward.
You missed a spot.
What in the name of Neptune's tail fin is going on in here, boy?
Oh, I'm playing picnic with my wonderful little food friends, Herb and Loretta. These are their kids, Timmy and Sally.
Sounds to me like you're just wasting me precious ingredients. Listen, SpongeBob, just because there's no customers doesn't mean you can't do something productive.
Like what, Mr. Krabs?
Well, I mean, you could... Ooh, you could dust the pickles. Could, alphabetize the buns. You could, water down the ketchup.
At this point, it would be ketchuping up the water.
Whatever. Now, if these little fellers could work, maybe you'd be onto something. Hey, you couldn't make me a tiny little army of unpaid workers, could you?
Oh, I could try. Here's a little worker. We'll call him Pete.
Oh, hi, Pete. Hey, what's wrong with Pete? He's not working.
Maybe Pete is just tired.
Well, now, that shouldn't interfere with Pete's work.
Well, I don't know, Mr. Krabs. I guess it might affect his productivity.
No, not his productivity.
Hey, maybe if Pete could go on a picnic like the Patty family, he might be rested and happy and more productive than ever.
No, not leaving the workplace for pleasure.
Hey, maybe Pete's boss could have a company picnic and Pete would have a great time and relax and come back and work twice as hard.
Company picnic?
See, look, he's already perking up.
Gee, SpongeBob, do you think if I threw a picnic, your productivity would increase?
Definitely.
What's going on in here?
Just in time, Mr. Squidward. You're about to go on the greatest company picnic ever!
A company picnic, eh? That gives me an idea. This is the greatest company picnic ever.
Yes, it is.
Pace yourself, Squidward. The fun is just getting started.
Is this toilet paper we're sitting on?
Oh, don't think of it as just toilet paper. It has thousands of uses.
Here's one.
Well, I guess things will pick up once the food gets here.
Right you are. Here's the food. Oh, you're confused. Let me show you a little hack. See? You open it with your teeth. There. Isn't that fun? And afterwards, you can toss it around like, one of those things you toss around. Here, let me show you. Go out for a long one, SpongeBob.
Go along.
This is so much fun.
Is this far enough?
I can't hear what you're saying. So, here it comes. I don't see it anywhere.
I'm going home.
Oh, no, you're not. You are going to sit right there and enjoy yourself until your productivity increases.
Oh boy, face painting. Great idea, Mr. Krabs. Here, let me try. Hi, I'm Barnacle Boy.
Well, we sure had our fun and games today, but just maybe we've learned a little something too about each other and ourselves. I guess you'd have to say this was the greatest.
Do not say it.
The greatest company picnic ever. Well, looks like we've got company.
Well, Mr. Krabs, it is a company picnic.
Well, this is more like it. You've been holding out on us, Mr. Krabs. You old devil.
I have? What? Oh, yeah. Company picnic? That's not how you spell company picnic.
Yes, who?
Plankton. Just what do you think you're doing, Plankton?
What do you mean? I'm having my company picnic. This is our spot.
Oh, yeah? Well, it's my spot now.
Come now, can't we all just share? Nothing should spoil this perfect day.
Aw.
You don't even have any employees.
Aw.
Sure I do. Those are my new hires, Simmy and Tally. Just look at them tossing the disc around.
A real disc?
Ha! Go on, SpongeBob. Show this upstart how we chuck the old mustard plate around.
Well,
You're all welcome to join us, of course. There's plenty of fun for all.
no thanks, Plankton. We're having a great time at our own company picnic. Hey, Plankton, what are Simmy and Tally up to?
Oh, just setting up the rest of the activities. The cotton candy machine, hot roasted peanuts, games of chance, bottles you can knock over to win a prize, the world's most exciting roller coaster, a deep fryer for delicacies. Delicacies? And of course, the dunking booth. Have you seen the Calliope?
Aw.
Now look here, Plankton. The loyal employees would never be taken in by such a shallow display.
One side, Kimmy.
Is this backwards? No. No, that's not it either.
You were saying, Krabs?
Mr. Krabs is right, Plankton. We're having lots of fun. Come on, Mr. Krabs.
SpongeBob, would you mind helping me with my zipper?
Who needs them, right, Mr. Krabs?
Huh? Yeah, sure.
Do you want me to paint your face?
I don't know.
All right, I'm making you into, a ghost.
I think this mayo is gone bad.
Ooh, the ghost of mayonnaise bad. That really scares people.
Yeah.
Whoa, stop. That is almost too much cotton candy.
You want to join in all that fun over there with Mr. Squidward, don't you?
No, of course not.
Are you sure you don't want to?
Mr. Krabs, I am staying right here at the Krusty Krab picnic.
You sure?
100% sure, Mr. Krabs.
Okay then. I'm out of here.
See ya. Yahoo!
You can never have too many. Hey, Squidward!
Woo! Having lots of fun over here. I've got a plate. It's made of paper. It's a paper plate. Woo! Well, if it's good enough for Mr. Krabs, it's good enough for me.
I have to say, Mr. Plankton, if this is how you treat your employees... Say no more, my friend. If you'd care to work for me, just sign this contract with this delicious candy bed.
Ooh, me first.
Oh, don't bother to read it. Now, that's such a fun day.
That's such great advice.
This is working far better than I planned. With Krabs as my employee, I can order him to give me the Krabby Patty formula, and the Krusty Krab will be no more.
Hello, Plankton.
Uh-oh.
Mr. Krabs, don't sign it! My candy pen!
Look out! There's a candy pen heading straight for your eye due to my act of swatting it away without first considering the trajectory. Oh, I wish I could get my words out faster, but everything's in slow motion. No!
And that means...
I was right in that. What about those delicacies I was eating?
Oh! That was a good... You saved me, boy. How did you do it?
I guess my mind was all sharp from the relaxing fun I had at your company picnic, Mr. Krabs.
Unbelievable!
The greatest company picnic ever!
All right, enough relaxing. Back to work.
The car's all started for you, Dad. Thanks. I'll see you in an hour. For a family picture. Honey, wait for me. You forgot me. I don't know what they fussing about. Is everybody ready to get there for picture day today in the Krusty Krab?
I'm sure it's great. I got all this what I wanted. And it's so great, I love it too.
I got my stuff up too. Hey, look, fashion is. I also got my stuff out too. But I don't know what to do with his hair. What should I do, Corey? Maybe you should trim it a little bit. That's how I get the freebies. Hope the Krusty Krab get refunds. What's wrong?
Where's the refunds?
Go ahead.
Put Queer on the phone.
That one too. Hello? No refunds! Anyway, I'm gonna what I am. Me too. Me 3. Me 4. What was that? Uh-oh. Looks like you got the hiccups. We better call a doctor and see what's going on. I don't know what your problem is, but why is this little girl's hiccuping? Let me test something out. Let's see, she got severe case of the bad hiccup crisis. Bad hiccup crisis? What is that? It's this hiccup that that never cure, and you'll never get cured again. Come on, Doris, let's get out of here. Doris, you're so rude to people. How was I rude? Oh, what I'm gonna do? I need to get rid of these hiccups what I'm saying? I have to get rid of these hiccups so I can go to the Krusty Krab for picture day. Will you guys help me? I don't know. Well, I'm out of here. Quick, Kuye, it's your little sister. Is she gonna help? Fine, I'll do it. Yeah, hey.
Alright. To get rid of hiccups, you have to stand upside down.
Corey, wanna show her? Whoop. Yeah, I'm flying in the opposite position. And it's never as a clam. There's no such thing as clams. They're just so happy and unrecognizable. Yeah, for you and us dwarves. Come on, Corey, you can do it.
I believe you.
1 minute is finished. Now, Kim, you try. Boing. 1 minute later.
All right, let's see. Those hiccups are gone.
How many hiccups is that? 5. I think the hic was getting worse. How much was it last time? 2.
We might come. We need to put up another strategy, and fast.
Hey, I got an idea. Fashion, look your best. But you need to look evil. Evil. Carolina, so do Kimi to be evil. Ooh, I'm the wicked girl thing. I'm so scared. I get really scared people away. If people could see my things, I can really get anything I want. So be scared if you don't. But I will rule the universe. Wow, that's so scary. Are the hiccups gone? How many was that? 8. The hiccups seem getting worse and worse. What else would you do? Slam my face into the computer.
Alright, Curry, let's see you slamming the computer.
Okay. Ouch! Ooh. Ow!
How was it in there?
Not good. Okay, give me you try.
Move! How was it in there?
Not good. Let's see the hiccups go one away, and let's count each one we see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 hiccups. She's getting worse and worse. Sir, and we only have 25 minutes. Corey, what are you gonna do? Don't worry, I got this. Let's get with my jetpack. Like,
I'm on it.
where is Korea Shine?
Ouch, I think I broke my back.
Me too.
Let's see if the hiccups went away.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
First it was 2, then 5, then 8, 12, and 15. If you get to 20, there'll be uncured hiccups. We need to scare her so she be scared that we ever before. But what can we do?
What's my home? My pen. Ah, that clicking noise. Ah.
Whoa, I did not see that happen. Did you know everything's quiet for a second? Hey, I think Kimi's secret are gone. I think they are. Hooray! Let's go, get guys. Yeah. Thank God your kids are here. I was waiting for you all day. Is everybody ready?
Yes, we are.
Now everybody say cheese.
Cheese.
It looks like everybody got the hiccup. I gotta take off right. Hiccup, 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 hiccup.